Hello, this is Mark Ellis. I'm working from home, I'm staying safe, and I'm currently helping some clients that need to transact real estate right now, but I'm taking a break to give you some tips. If you have downtime, this is a perfect time to make those minor repairs and get those inexpensive upgrades done around the house, those things that will definitely add value to your home. Painting being one of them. This is one of my favorite brands for a brush. Purdy brand. It is my personal favorite, but there are some other good brands out there, and here's some other great tips that'll help you right now. So those are just a few tips. As you may know, you can find almost any DIY project on YouTube. There's some other television programs as well on different networks that will help you with projects. And if you need a recommendation for any contractor, let me know. If you have any real estate questions, I'm here to help for that as well. And I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.